Hey. So today I'm talking to you about the Sea Dreams My Best Hair Kit. So it does come with a silver bonnet that is reversible and double line to help you reduce frizz, minimize breakage so you don't wake up with bedhead, knots, tangles, reduces frizz. It does come with a matching mini scrunchie. Oh, not mini, this is a medium. Because it is a My Best Hair Kit, it does come with a matching medium. The mini scrunchies come with the regular bonnets. So, well, not the regular bonnets, but when you purchase a bonnet, not as a part of a My Best Hair Kit. So, this is a silver. And then it is the Sea Dream, so it does come with the Sea Dream scarf. Has some yellow, some black, some silver, and that's why I paired it with the silver scarf. Has like, so sea, this is why the Sea Dreams came from the name. The name came from because it has like fishes, and is fishes a word? It has fish and coral. So that is the Sea Dream scarf. Like I said, it is a My Best Hair Kit. It is available in regular, medium, and BAB size. If you're unfamiliar with the sizes at NPTressTreats, you can go ahead and check out the What Size Bonnet is Right For Me video in the YouTube channel. So again, that is the Sea Dreams My Best Hair Kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see what's new at NPTressTreats. Be the first to know. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.